Alright, so we're back here. Where Emma's gonna eat this. I gotta eat this scorpion. There's a little fresh
Can I
packet.
take it out?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it out of the packet, sure.
It's so cute.
It's so cute. You're
Look
holding
at
a
this.
scorpion.
It's like a real scorpion.
It is a real scorpion.
Hold on, let's look at the side view. Let's see, he's pretty big. And yeah, look at his tail.
Crunchy.
So let me just make sure that the stinger's not on the tail, because I think this is what Emma wanted to try first. He's a little crunchy.
They got rid of the stingers.
Oh. No, the stinger was there. See, I'm not sure if you want to eat the stinger.
Not positive, you know.
So the stinger's off, and that's the tail of the scorpion. So let's see. I'm just probably just gonna eat the whole thing, right? Let's see.
Over here. Imagine it like a Cheeto or something. Same consistency.
Mom, could you get me water?
I'm on it.
Hey, clock's ticking. Well, while we're getting water, we'll take another look at this thing. Yeah, it's underneath.
Emma, I cannot believe you did that.
Bring it over.
Oops, sorry.
Yeah.
Silkworms are disgusting.
He's
I'm excited for the chocolate covered grasshopper though.
Alright,
Sounds
so
appetizing.
there's some water here. Emma's gonna eat a scorpion. Cleanse the palate. All right, let's see. It's probably gonna taste good, just like the cricket did. So let's see. 3, 2, 1.
Crunchy.
Do you hear this?
Where's your tongue? You got chewed up scorpion on your tongue.
What does it taste like?
Good.
It tastes good? Like what?
Does it taste like chocolate?
It kind of tastes like this chip.
Yeah? Interesting.
No, it's not chocolate covered. You wish.
Wow. Well, good job, Em. Thumbs up.
Nice.